Alright my friends, it's Moses here. I hope and pray that you guys are doing well. It's Saturday, it's sunny. I'm just starting my day. I have 4 plans on me, which is pretty good. So I'm thinking if I go from here, go to Lancaster, go to DeSoto, go to Wiley, come back. After I drop off my Roanoke load, I'll take a break and then do the 4th load. I'm thinking I'll still have some time to do load number 5 if they have something close by.
Waking up dizzy in the morning, we fight a lot.
Right now the time is 14:39. Time to get out of here. Alright.
Don't even know about what. I just want you to live, darling.
One of the things I don't like in the summer is tire failures. Just got a tire failure right there. I'm not sure how it will be when he comes, but this is the view I have right now.
It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't.
This place is gonna be tricky to get myself repaired. When he comes, we'll try and see if maybe I can pull forward a little bit, like up to somewhere, maybe like up to somewhere here. Then he can block off, then he can be where I am, so that we leave some part. Alternatively, I'm thinking he may know this area better than I do, because like I was wondering where I can go that is safer, that is off of the out of the express lanes and off of the freeway, but I don't know this place, so I don't know where to go. So if he comes and we can't figure out a safe way to position the truck for him to work on it, then we have to figure out how we can find a better place where he will be safe, because of course safety comes first. I want him to be safe when he's working on me. So when he comes, we'll see if he wants us to just stay here and figure out how he will position his truck, so that, you know, at least his truck, usually they put the trucks in the lane with their lights on. But right now the time is 15:33. Just gave them a call. I'm not sure how long before he will work on me, so we'll see how things go.
I want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now.
I forgot to show you guys, but technically what we did is we moved from the right side to the left side. There was an opening here. So that's the guy. He's he knows this place, so he's going back through there. But he's done with me. Crossing over from that side when you have all these express cars coming can be a challenge. But I've been able to make it. Still building up my speed. I'm hitting 55 right now. So now I can take off my hazard because I'm past 60. Alright, I'm ready to go.
I'm dizzy in the morning, we fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to live, darling. It's my own. some peace and quiet since you left, so don't.
So I've dropped off my load, but when I was coming in at the gate, the guy told me that they didn't have any empties. I just found myself one, decided to pick it up. I'm not sure if he will let me go out with it, but I don't think we do ship out of these guys. So I'm thinking maybe their system just doesn't tell that they have an empty. I found myself one. I'm gonna try and take it. If he says they need it, I'll bring it back, but you never know until you try. The time is 18:08, and I'm just gonna cross over to DeSoto and pick up a load. I think I'll stop by Pilot. No, not Pilot. I'll stop by Love's, get myself a cup of tea before I head to Wiley. I like that. TFT. True Love Family Trucking Inc. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but up there it says, with man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. Matthew 19 verse 26. Shout out to Truck 410 of TFT Trucking.
Waking up dizzy in the morning.
Oh, thank God they let me take it. That way I don't have to go looking for an empty. I'm just gonna go straight for my pickup.
We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want.
This place has all been cleared. I wonder what they're gonna build, but it had trees, like you see that shrub right there. This whole place had trees. They just cleared it up. I wonder what they're gonna put. So hopefully I remember to show you how it looks like when it's all said and done. This is twofold. Yeah. I wonder what happens now if your trailer is blocked in. Father, I pray that my trailer is not blocked in. This is crazy. There are some spaces in here, but it's like it's even had. Oh, there is one there. It's gonna be a hard one. Maybe I can blindside into this one. I think this guy is trying to clear up. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this one out of there. What did you say?
I said I'm gonna move this out the way so you can have room to park right here.
Oh, okay. You're going to do this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna move it.
Okay, because if you pull it, I can even, there's a space right there.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Looks like we are gonna play teamwork here. The lady's gonna pull that trailer away and then I can back into, I swear, space right there. So instead of blind sighting into this space, I'm gonna put it in a space right there. That right there is the space I was gonna blindside into. So she moved the trailer that was in front of this one, and so I came here. But she probably didn't understand what my idea was. She because that trailer was facing the other side, so all she had to do was pull away, let me back into, and then she just needed to back into that. But she went around and turned around, which is also fine. But at least we got teamwork going right there.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to live.
66499. That right there, my friends, is the trailer I'm picking up. It's not blocked in. It really helps when you talk to God as you go through your day and let Him know what's happening and ask Him to help you, because that's exactly what I asked Him to do, and that's what He has done for me. My trailer is just in the right spot, ready to go. Woohoo! Thank you, Jesus.
Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now.